Thinking of the LDF and MDF files on the drives in SQL Server. Syncing of LDF and MDF files on the drives. For syncing the LDF files, we have to execute the below command and we have to check the log usage in that. By using the dbcc SQL perf of the log space, below is the output. Now we can see the log space used by the SQL servers, and in this the size is more. If the log size is more, then we have to shrink it. If the log space used percentage column is less than 80%, then we have to shrink the log files. Now execute the below command sp_help file of the database name. Now it shows the database name, database where it has been located, the path and the location of where it is located. Now we have to go for the step 3, executing the below query. Perform the log backup first with the help of a below query. Backup log database name to disk is equal to path. By using this, we will be taking the log backup to a particular path, so that after this we have to go for a dbcc shrink file or the shrink file of 2 comma 5000. 2 is the name of the logical file name, the field, and the 500 is the amount of the file size that we have to shrink it. For shrinking the MDF, executing the below command sp_space used, it shows the database size and the unallocated space on that particular MDF file. Now we have to check the unallocated space and shrink with it as per the size. Syntax: dbcc shrink file data file name, or dbcc shrink file data file name, comma unallocated space and comma unallocated space -1024. The example script is use a user db database name. This is a sample database name. Then dbcc shrink file of the data file 1, comma this is the size to which the data file has to be MDF file has to be shrinked. Now execute this query, then it will be shrink to the particular size which we have mentioned in the query. Thank you.